In my last episode, I talked about how to uninstall the old hardwood flooring for the purpose of reuse. It was quite some work to uninstall the wood flooring, removing the nails and cleaning them up. But when you saw all these beautiful flooring ready to be reused, it was indeed a very rewarding process. Now it's time to put them back to work. The look of the initial finish looks okay. However, if you pay a close attention to the surface, you can feel pretty obvious edge between the wood planks. The thickness of each piece may be different. So in order to, make it smooth, we have to sand down pretty hardly. That's why I got those drum sander from Home Depot and bought the 24 grit sandpaper to aggressively smooth it down.